Thank you for that warm welcome. Very, very happy to be here. Motorola Solutions is very excited about OnGo and this kickoff today. We see great potential in this technology. Most of you know Motorola Solutions as provider of public safety communications equipment, which, that is a big part of our business, but we also have thousands of customers in the enterprise using our equipment today, millions of radios out there. So as we work with these customers, we have seen their need for broadband constantly increase. They need more broadband to facilitate the digital transformation of their operations. They need dependable, self-sufficiently scaled broadband, and now that requirement is a requirement in these spaces. That's proven very difficult to accomplish, whether it's congested and interference-laden Wi-Fi or other solutions that don't meet the capacity and coverage that they need. So Motorola Solutions now has a path to provide this kind of solution with OnGo. So you look at our private broadband solution, this is enabled by OnGo, it's built for the enterprise, it's easy to deploy, very economical, being an infrastructure as a service, and based on cloud-based components. This lets us deliver the exact coverage and capacity that our customers need, while making it very easy to change or expand coverage in the future. So with Nitro, we see tremendous opportunity to continue to grow our OnGo portfolio and basically utilize the spectrum and innovate within the industry. One key opportunity that we have, is the ability to marry our existing LMR systems with our new OnGo-based Nitro system. So you have a customer that has their voice-based system that they're very happy with, but they need broadband data. They put in Nitro. Now they have a broadband data solution. They can also use that system to extend their voice coverage. So say they have areas where they need more capacity for voice or areas that don't have voice today. So what we've done is basically made a completely interoperable system where you can have a purpose-built device on your Nitro system, a purpose-built device on your LMR system, and actually a purpose-built device on the carrier LTE system. Marry that with applications on your smartphone. All of those users can seamlessly integrate and communicate across your city, across the state, across the nation. So while we have, our first purpose-built device that we've delivered, we see OnGo providing the opportunity to build an entire suite, entire family of devices. We're going to have devices that have touch screens, full data capability, and video. So as we go forward, purpose-built devices doing video, data, and voice. So just like broadband has driven innovation in the consumer space, making broadband accessible in these environments will drive enterprise innovation as well. So we believe there's a lot of use cases we've seen out there with OnGo today, and we're just now scratching that surface. We've seen requests to do, leverage security video, get video in places where you can't get video today. Your fiber, you don't want to run fiber across your parking lot. You have areas of the boundary of your campus where you can't get video. OnGo's a great solution for that. You need to extend your outdoor coverage in areas where you don't have Wi-Fi. You want to do point of sale. You want to do extend your operations to everywhere you just don't have access today for broadband. We've seen opportunities where people need to have expert assistance via mobile video. Say you're working third shift at a factory. If the line goes down, you need to find that one person in the company that knows how to get your line back up, knows how to fix that piece of equipment. That person may not be on site. He may be at home. Using OnGo and video capabilities, that person can help remotely get your line back up and running. So as far as improving safety, we talked about safety with video, security with video. We also have solutions where you have mining companies. They want to remotely control their equipment that's in an underground mine. They want to sit outside, have the operator sitting outside, controlling the operations, with a joystick in a very controlled environment, and put the heavy equipment down in the mine. Really improve safety for these customers. So this milestone today obviously reflects industry commitment to delivering better and faster enterprise communications. And we're going to build on OnGo to deliver a full suite of applications that we could not do in the past. We're going to have voice-based applications where voice control is going to help people in the industry do things better, faster, and more efficient, which is really critical for manufacturing enterprises today so they can continue to compete on the global economy. So I'd like to commend the FCC for really driving this really fantastic and innovative strategy to bring OnGo to the enterprise. So thank you.